In this video, we will learn how to use ElevenLabs Text-to-Speech in 2026 and avoid the settings mistakes that waste your characters, reduce voice quality, and slow down your workflow. So if you're creating YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, online courses, or social media content, ElevenLabs is one of the most powerful AI voice platforms available today. But many new users burn through their monthly character allowance because they skip a few important settings. Let's walk through the right way to use it. So after logging into ElevenLabs, you'll enter the 11 Creative dashboard. On the left side, click the Text to Speech under the Pin section. This is where you'll generate AI voiceovers from your scripts. So if you don't already have saved voice, you can click the voices on the left sidebar. You'll enter the voice library where you can browse hundreds of community and official voices. You can use the search bar if you're looking for a specific style or browse by categories like narration, educational, social media, conversational, advertisement, or characters. You can also filter voices by languages and accent, making it much easier to find a voice that matches your audience. So before selecting a voice, listen to several previews. A voice that sounds great for storytelling may not work well for tutorials, while a conversational voice may sound too casual for corporate presentations. So choosing the correct voice from the beginning saves you from regenerating your script later. And once you've selected a voice, you can return to the text-to-speech. Now comes the mistakes that waste the most characters. So many users paste an entire script into the editor, sometimes 2 or 3,000 words, and immediately click generate. If they hear one mispronounced word, an awkward pause, or a sentence that doesn't sound natural, they regenerate the entire script again. That means thousands of characters are consumed just to fix one small mistake. Instead, generate your script in a smaller sections. Start with one paragraph or around 100 or 200 words. So you just need to listen carefully, make any necessary adjustments, and then continue to the next sections. This approach uses far fewer characters and makes editing much easier. Next, pay attention to punctuation. ElevenLabs uses punctuation to understand how the voice should speak. Commas create short pauses, periods create longer pauses, question marks naturally raise the speaker's tone. Breaking long sentences into a shorter ones usually produces much more natural narration. Another setting to understand that the AI model. So depending on your account, you may have access to different speech models including the latest 11 V3 models. So generally, newer models produce more natural speech, better than emotional expression, and improve pronunciation, especially for long-term or long-form narration. So if your project is important, you can test a short sample with a different models before generating your entire script. Now let's talk about pronunciation. If the AI struggles with a company name, acronym, technical term, or persona's name, don't immediately regenerate everything. Instead, rewrite the word phonetically or separate letters using spaces or punctuation. Sometimes a small spelling adjustment produces a much better result without consuming thousands of extra characters. If you're creating content regularly, consider saving your favorite voices. This allows you to maintain consistent narration across every video without searching the voice library each time you start a new project. You should also preview your audio before exporting it. Listen for unnatural pauses, repeated words, incorrect emphasis, or pronunciation issues. Fixing these problems early is much more efficient than editing them after your entire project is complete. And finally, remember that AI performs best with well-written scripts. Clear sentences, natural wording, and a proper punctuation almost always produce better voiceovers than trying to rely on AI settings alone. The biggest secrets to saving character isn't using fewer words. It's avoiding unnecessary regenerations. By choosing the right voice first, generating your script in smaller sections, testing short samples, and reviewing each sections before moving on, you'll create a better voiceovers while making the most of your monthly character allowance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.